In the 2000s, our founder, Edson Diaz Fuentes, he wanted to open a restaurant. First he was in New York and he decided, well, he really wants to open a restaurant, so he came over to London, worked in a few Mexican restaurants and decided it's time for him to open a restaurant of his own. Somewhere around 2014, he started going out, he did a lot of dinner parties. After which he opened his first restaurant in Shoreditch. They had queues around the block. They found another site, which was now our main restaurant, our flagship restaurant, which is in London Bridge. We opened this one in 2017 and it's been going quite strong. Majority of our proteins we get from Britain. We work with a lot of local British farmers and British suppliers. Some of our ingredients, of our Mexican chilies and spices, we do get them directly from Mexico. Even some of our sauces, the base sauces of like our mole, comes directly from Mexico. And we're actually looking to add more ingredients that could come directly from Mexico, so we keep it as authentic as we can be. So about a year and a half ago, we embarked on a journey to change a few of our systems. One of the biggest systems was our EPO systems. We found that Lightspeed had everything that we needed by the way that they do the data, the reporting, and also all the integrations. On top of all of this is the service. If we needed to fix or repair something, there is always somebody on hand to help us. For the past a year and 3 months, it's been amazing. And they understand how a business starts and it grows, and they've helped us trying to get to where we want to be. The onboarding was quite good, to be honest. Quite simple, quite straightforward, and I've put in a few EPO systems throughout my years in different restaurants, and this was the most seamless. We use iPhones for tableside service. We use iPads for our tills. These are things or items on technology that everybody uses right now, so it is super easy for them to learn how to put an order through. All of the team took it on quite quickly. Putting new members of the team on, we've noticed how quickly they pick it up. If you are running that service on your own and you have this iPhone in your hand, you could do everything. It's the best thing ever. I could print the bills, I could take the order, I could take the payments on the phone, and I don't have to run back and forth. When you have guests outside, normally what you would have to do before, you write on a pad, you go inside, you put it through. That length of time you've taken is about a minute, whereas it's quite instantaneous. You've taken the order, you're speaking to the guest, and you could take multiple orders at the same time. It is one of the best features, I think, for us. Probably 5-6 years ago, or just before coming over to Santo Remedio, I'm closing a restaurant and it would take 2-3 hours. You'd need to print an X report from the PDQ machine, pull the report from the till machine, make the two match. Now you don't have to do any of that. So the end of day for us is basically clock people out. That's it. This is all connected. It's all integrated. It's right there, and it's all super seamless.